Hi guys, today I want to share with you DDF453SYE. The machine can drill up to 13 mm on steel and 36 mm on wood. Come with 2 battery, 1 charger and 1 machine. The net weight is 2.0 kg. For 1.5 Ah battery, it can drill 240 pieces wood screw with diameter 4.1 x 38 mm. Machine can forward and reverse function, and it has a variable 2-speed design. This is the torque setting, which you can adjust the torque you want. For example, if you are using the drill for screwing, you may lower the torque for items which are fragile. Note that when you're installing the screw bit has to be balanced or straight. You will note that there's a spark behind the machine because this is a carbon brush motor.